rotated sideways. So if you looked at your left hand, you're doing this overhand cap that you already know. But what you're doing is you're rotating your body 90 degrees, so it's now behind your back. And unlike almost every other move we've done where the palm is back, for this particular move, I keep the palm front. And while you might want to go behind your ass, I think the move is easier to execute with the arms out further because then the two poi don't hit each other at the bottom or the top. So once you warm up with this, you can rotate your body 90 degrees, and then let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then if we look at the right arm, you can face your right and do this overhand cap here, which you know. And then once you've warmed up with that, rotate your body 90 degrees. You're facing your front now. It's behind you. Again, the palm is forward the whole time. And let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the weird part is maybe starting it. So you could try from an underhand butterfly where you bring it up top and do an extension down, and then as you do the extension down, you just continue in the cap, and so as you get to the bottom here, you do the reversal where they both go out and up, then down, out and up and down, out and up and down, out and up and down. So that's contingent on you being able to get into the behind the head butterfly and then do that long arm extension down. And when you do the long arm extension down, remember not to turn your palm back, but to keep it front so that you can go into that reversal. Alternately, if that's too difficult to start with, you could start here in this sort of awkward position where you have your palms front, your elbows are tucked in, you start spinning your poi behind you in what is like overhand if you looked to the either side, starting at the bottom, and then you can go out, up, down, down, up, down. And you can start this way in the wimpy cap if you're worried about hitting, and then gradually make it bigger until you've got this fuller range of motion. And you'll notice, this is why I have my hands out here, because you'll notice I'm clinking at the bottom of it. I think this is very common when people start. You're down here, you go out, but what you do is you slide your hand up like this, so it's just sliding up, instead of pushing out and then popping back in. So you wanna instead of this, you wanna pump and then extend, pump, extend, pump, extend. So you really wanna try and get your arms pretty much fully out, just not blocked elbows when you get to the side. I wouldn't call this Pilates in the same sense, because really you're just keeping your core tight and there's no actual movement in the core muscles, particularly for me. But what might be useful is practicing this arm motion. You're coming down, so this is full, but then you have to bend in here. And then you pump, right? So it's bend and pump, pump, full extension. Pump, pump, full extension. Pump, pump, full extension. Your palm front the whole time. You pump, pump, and down. Pump and pump 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 and down. So for this movement, if you're really tight in here, if you're hunched over your desk all the time and you're doing this, you might not have the flexibility and the rotational capacity to be open through here. So what can also help is doing these, right? Because a lot of people just can't get back there. So practicing opening where you bring your arms back. And you can practice through the whole range of motion with your arm back, but what's important is you're not doing this. So you'll notice when I'm doing this one, my hand is in line with my body. You want to be behind your body. And you can just practice this to develop the flexibility through the shoulders and the openness. I mean, I guess the one thing I would say about the Pilates is you do want to make sure that you don't, I'm going to exaggerate. I don't think most people do this, but there's a tendency to arch, right? So we want to make sure that we avoid that by keeping the tuck, the pelvic tuck here. So you're going to keep your tailbone in while you're doing this. And that, I think, creates a whole other type of dimension to the stretch. And if you haven't done much behind your back at all, even starting with, take your poi from your underhand butterfly, do a lockout in the front, and then bring it behind and hold it here. We're just holding it there. We're holding it there. And then bonus, you can practice it in split time also, because that will be relevant when you do the split time cap. So you're here, 2, 3, 4, now split time, split time, split time, split time, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, and same, 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 tame, split time, split time, split time, split, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, 4 more sets, 2, 3, 4, and split time, split time, split time, split, same, 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 split time, split time, split time, split, 2 more sets, 2, 3, 4, split time, split time, split time, split, and last set, same, 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 and split time, split time, split time, split. And let's do it this way, where we come from the underhand butterfly, and then do the extension down, and then out and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let it be slow, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then let's do it with your right hand, 5, 6, 7, 8, butterfly behind the head, full extension, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I think that the same time version of this move in some ways is harder form-wise because you're more constricted because both poi are behind you in the same place the whole time. Whereas the split time version, where one's up top and one's down bottom, there's a sort of seesaw opportunity, and you can get lower back here without hitting the other one, and you can get higher up here without hitting the other one.